friends, welcome back to my channel, and today my project is about how to create this beautiful shaker card for your teacher. You can write any message for your teacher inside this, and my shaker card is worked like this. So without any delay, let's just start our procedure. For this we need some multicolor 3mm quilling strip, some half cut pearls, scissor, quilling tool, pencil, paper cutter, ruler, some thick sheet of yellow, blue and white color, some glitter sequences, liquid glue and one OHP sheet. First I will take one yellow sheet which measures 21 by 8 cm and mark it right side at 4 cm and an above side mark it 6 cm. Similarly do on another side like this. Just join the line. After joining it, cut these lines like a pencil shape. So it will look like this. Now make a line like this and take 1.5 cm distance from above side. Similarly do on another side. Just join the line. Like this. Take 2 cm distance from this side and this side. Just join the line. For cutting this line, I am using paper cutter. Now remove this rectangle and take your OHP sheet and stick in this side. After adding glue, stick this OHP sheet like this, and in front side it will look like this. Now I am going to show you how to create the rectangles. For this we need 3 thick sheets and stick both sheets so it's ready, and I have made this rectangle according to this side and also created 3 rectangles for this side. Now stick this rectangle. You can use double-sided foam tape. I have created this rectangle for moving the inner sequences easily, and I also have created one triangle for stick in this side. Like this. Now I am going to show you how to create this inner sequences. We need 2 small strip of red color and stick both to each other like this. Similarly I have created this symbols of plus and also created some symbols of subtraction. Now fill all the signs inside this, and also adding some glitter sequences inside this. I am I'm using golden and silver sequences. You can use according to your choice. Now I'm going to stick a blue sheet above side of this sequence. Now add this sheet above side of this rectangles like this. Wait some time for drying it like this. It is work like this. Now I'm decorate this card. For this I'm using 1/2 strip of blue color and 1/4 strip of purple color. Make a loose coil like this and bend it like this, adding little blue. Now I'm wrap this with purple strip. Wrap this petal like this, secure the end. Similarly, I have created 6 more petals. It is total 7 petals. Now join all the petals for making flower. Wait some time for drying it. Now I'm going to show you how to create this small flower. For this we need 1 strip of yellow color. My 1 strip length is 45 centimeter. Make a tight coil, secure the end and bend it like a leaf shape. Similarly, I have created 5 more petals and it's time to join all the petals for making flower. Left it also for drying it. Now I'm going to show you how to create this small leaf. For this I'm taking half strip of green color. Hold it like this. After adding glue, bend it like this. Join the leaves like this. Similarly, I have created 4 more leaves and also make some scrolls like this. Now it's time to stick the pearl on the middle part of the flower. After adding pearl, it will look like this, and now we bend the flowers like this for looking the flowers ready. It's time to decorate the card by using these flowers. I'm adding glue on big flower and stick in this side. Adding the leaves in different place like this. I'm using these scrolls for looking this card attractive. After adding all the flowers, it will look like this. Now I'm going to use some yellow and red color strip to stick in this side like this. time to take a brown triangle to stick in this side. Add some glue like this and stick in this side. For sticking in this side, I am using a series of pearls. And I have also created this Happy Teachers Day tag sentiment and stick in this side to this tag. For this I am adding glue. After sticking this tag, it will look like this. Now I am going to take one white sheet of pencil shape cutting which measures approximate 16 by 23 centimeter and stick this pencil on this. After sticking, I am using two random papers of orange and green color. And stick this paper on this side. You can write any message for your teacher. So my whole card is ready. So my today project is done about shaker card. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest update, and also follow my Instagram. ID is given below. Okay, bye bye.